There's no app for everything. There never will be, because apps don't solve problems, they wrap them. Every interface you touch is a layer between you and the thing you actually wanted. Think about it. You wanted food. Now you're tapping glass, scrolling photos of meals that don't exist, rating a driver you'll never see again. You wanted connection. Now you're curating a profile, optimizing your photos, waiting for a notification to tell you someone swiped right. You wanted to say something. Now you're editing yourself for an audience that may never read it. We call this convenience. But convenience for what? The task takes the same amount of time, often longer. What changed is the texture of the experience. Here's what's actually happening. Every shortcut adds distance. Not in time, in presence. When you call someone, you hear their voice, their breath, the pause before they answer. When you text, you get symbols on glass. Convenient, yes. The same thing? No. Technology doesn't remove friction. It relocates it. You used to struggle with the task. Now you struggle with the interface. The friction moved from the thing to the wrapper around the thing. And here's the uncomfortable part. The more seamless the interface feels, the thicker the wrapper actually is. Seamless means you stopped noticing the layer. Not that the layer disappeared, you're just numb to it now. A clunky interface reminds you it exists. A perfect interface makes you forget. You're not touching reality anymore. This isn't an argument against technology. You can't unwrap yourself. The wrappers are here. They're not leaving. But maybe knowing changes something. Maybe you start noticing when you're touching glass instead of the thing. Maybe you choose the friction sometimes, not because it's efficient, but because it's real. No interface can hold reality, only frame it. And the frame is always someone else's choice.